Welcome back everyone to another installment of Mind, Body and Soul. Thank you for joining me here on this beautiful afternoon. So I'm going to jump right into it on today's video. The 7 keys to success. All right, first off, number 1. Know what area of expertise that you want to endeavor. What is it that you truly desire to pursue in life? For some people, it might be like a fitness career, like becoming a fitness influencer or opening up their own gym. For other people, it could be cooking, like opening your own bakery, owning your own food company. What area of expertise are you developing into? The best thing to find out what you truly want to endeavor into. Sit with yourself and ask yourself simple questions like, what do I love doing? What am I passionate about? What speaks to my heart? What is something that I could pursue and love and find fulfillment in? What speaks to your soul? What keeps you pushing forward every day? What makes you want to live life? For me, I find that music, sharing inspirational videos like this, writing poetry, writing songs, doing art pieces, like all that sort of stuff fulfills me, and I pursue that on a day-to-day basis. So what I want you to do is one evening, or whenever you have like a minute to spare, get like a piece of paper or a little notebook, jot down all the things that you wish you could make into your career, your job, your passions into your reality. The second key to success. This is probably one of the most crucial parts of creating your passions into your dream life. So once you find the area of expertise that you want to endeavor in, what you want, that you wish to pursue, I want you to write down on that same notepad that you found what you find passionate and what you want to make into your career. This is probably the most crucial and important key to developing your passions into your career. Set goals and plan where you desire to be with this passion. Like what steps do you need to ensue to manifest your passion into your dream career? So, with that same notepad or piece of paper that you writ down what you wanted to pursue, the first thing that you should write down is what things do you need to make that passion into reality? Like, do you, like as an artist, like a visionary, you need paintbrushes, paint, canvases. What instruments do you need to fully encase yourself into your passion? List down everything that you need. That is the first step of writing out your goals and making a plan. Next step is to start doing it. Start doing the passions that you want to do. Because there is no use in letting your outside environment influence all the creativity and all the visions that you have for this passion project, your passion career. The third step into writing out your goals and your plan. Find the vision of where you see yourself in the say like next 3 months or the next 6 months with whatever you're trying to pursue. Like say you want to start a business in making whole foods for companies. Like starting your own company and producing it out there into the mass populace. What do you need? A recipe on what you want to make and craft, where a place to sell, a place to store all the foods and ingredients. Like what do you envision the next month, the next 3 months to be? Do you see yourself starting to gain a following? Whatever it is whatever you see yourself in those 3 months, envision it, write it down. Because when you write things down, it brings the thoughts and the visions from the 5th dimension into the 3rd dimension, quite physically. You're writing it down on the piece of paper. It encases it into the reality, your physical world. Because there's no use in having wonderful, amazing thoughts if you can't put action towards them. The next step into creating your goals and visions is write down a plan for each and every goal, a step-by-step plan. Because once you have those goals written down and you set a plan for them, you begin to understand how you can achieve these goals. Because it creates a better understanding of yourself and how you can achieve those goals. Like write it out in simple wording that you can understand. And just explore all avenues that which you can go down with each plan. Find which plan best suits you. What I find for myself personally is to write out 3 plans. Whichever one speaks to you the most, go with that plan. And the third key to success sounds very simple and very articulated and designed, but start working out, start exercising. Start allowing the body to move. Because when you release all that inner tension through a workout or doing something that is strenuous on your body, then releases the serotonin, puts you in a better mood, allows you to think of better ideas, allows you to enter that flow state so much easier. This is my favorite thing. Exercise builds the foundation from which everything else falls upon. Because if you know you can do an exercise of an evening or get up a little bit extra in the morning and do that exercise, you start to concrete the thought that, oh yeah, I can actually do what I put my mind to. I can do what I set out to do. Instead of just being complacent and just be like, oh, I'll do that tomorrow. Well, let me tell you this. Tomorrow doesn't exist. The present, the now is only promised. And by exercising, it builds that solid foundation from which everything else can be lifted up onto. Because once you build the resilience in your mind from exercising and doing things that, quote unquote, uncomfortable, you put yourself in an uncomfortable situation, builds resilience, builds that the character, builds your ego in a way that's like, oh, I'm proud of what I can do. I can actually complete what I set out to do. And that in turn will correlate with everything else that you set out to do with whatever you pursue. Oh, that rhymed. No, but exercise. It's very simple words, but so understood. The power of exercise. And almost forgot to mention, cutting out those processed foods, eating whole foods that nourishes you and leaving you feel fulfilled and full. Unlike chocolate bars, all that short-term dopamine that kills your body in the later episodes. Eating whole foods allows your dopamine responses to remain as clean as possible without getting overstimulated and overstimulated just from all the processed garbage food that are constantly surrounding us. So eating whole foods and exercise is one of the most crucial parts in developing success. The fourth key to success. Invest your time and your money into yourself. So I'm talking about becoming mindful, becoming aware of where your bad habits lead you to. Be aware of short-term pleasure-seeking actions that in the long term just leads you to feeling down, leads you to feeling terrible about yourself. So investing into your skills set, to your goals, your passions, to that whatever you're aspiring to become, to make into your dream career. So what skills do you need to invest in? Like, you want to become a professional debater. So what do? You invest in seminars, you invest in speaking classes, you invest in body language books or other seminars that are informative of body language and how you talk to become more persuasive, become more fluent in the way that you project the ideas that you see in your head and the poetry that you're trying to unveil out of your mind onto other people's eyes and ears. So what skills do you need to develop in order to become the most skilled professional in whatever you're trying to pursue as your dream career? And investing your time into yourself, like reading a book, exercises the mind, exercises the eyes in being able to focus. Because when you're able to focus in, like just reading a book, it trains your mind to focus in on little day-to-day tasks that you must complete in order to pursue your your passion career. Train your mind and train your skills to become a better you. Because nothing's more valuable than you, than a pile of gold. The fifth key to success may come not a surprise to many of you, but cut out the distractions. Cut out the social media. Cut out the fucking partying of a weekend. Cut out the women that suck you dry of all the masculine energy that you are trying to contain in yourself. Because do you see successful people when they're coming up? Do you see them partying, going out with a bunch of girls, getting all shit-faced? No. You don't see them. That's the thing. Because they're hard-working people. They stay late up at night, get up early hours of the morning, they work the hours that no one's willing to endure. Because they believe in their vision. They believe in their goals. They believe in what fulfills them, their passion. Social media drains you of all your fucking dopamine. Scrolling through TikTok drains you of all your fucking dopamine. When your dopamine receptors in your brain are constantly triggering, constantly firing from short-term pleasure on social media, you end up feeling like fuzzed, like lost in the clouds. But all jokes aside, in order to maintain a clear goal, clear vision, is to refrain from social media as much as possible. Like if your business or whatever you're trying to pursue involves social media, use the social media until the distraction appears. And let me say that again. Use social media until the distraction appears. That can be in the form of memes, bullshit text from your mates. Oh, come out this weekend, come party, we'll go get shit-faced. It's like, no. If you want to become successful, you've got to keep your eyes on your vision. Let it consume you. Develop an unhealthy habit, unhealthy addiction to that passion, to that career that you wish to that you wish to pursue. Because the distractions will only lead you in a little rabbit hole that will never be able to escape. The sixth key to success. This one can be very hard. Is find a social circle or people, or create an environment to where like-minded people are on the same path, are on the same journey, are striving for the direction in life that where you also aspire to be. That may mean leaving a few people behind, but that's okay. Because whatever the universe takes away from you, there's even something greater coming your way. So if you're able to let go of that old circle of people that just used to keep you enclosed in your comfort zone, used to keep you enclosed in in the pleasure-seeking behaviors, it's time to let them go. It may not be easy. Sure, hell, it probably won't be easy. But if you truly wish to live your passion as your career, find friends, mentors, that social circle which are on the same path as you. They may be in different areas of expertise. That's okay. But you can all rebound off each other and help inspire one another. Let the old behaviors, old ways of being die off. They were no good for you anyways. Just take the time to truly be aware of what the social circle you are surrounding yourself with is. The seventh key to success is all in the mind. The mindset that which you must uphold. The mindset of a king, of a warrior, of a person who endures. Adopt those mindsets. Allow new ways of thinking, new ways of being encase you. Discover the attitudes and the mindsets that you need in order to become the professional in your passion field. So like say you want to become this great businessman. What mindset do they have? The mindset of a king, which is shoulders lean back, chest out, having the thought that, oh yeah, I could really kill this. I can take over. I can be what no one else can ever be. Another mindset that is very helpful, that is essential to becoming successful, is have a big ego. Develop an ego that no one can trifle over. Develop the ego that everyone else wishes to be. Be that charismatic, suave, brilliant, fucking gentleman that everyone sees and like, oh, I wish I was that guy. Jeez, he's real slick. He's real smooth. Like, become self-aware of your surroundings, of your environment. Learn to read social cues and body language of other people. Develop the analytical mind to read your environment, read the people, read the faces that which you see, that which you come across on a day-to-day basis. Because a powerful man is the analytical man that can see everybody before they see him. Let me say that again. A powerful man is a man who can see everybody before they see him. Let your passion speak. Let all the bullshit fly out of your reality. Because the quicker they get out, the more good shit comes in. This has been an enjoyable video to make for you guys. I hope this has opened your eyes up onto things that you need to integrate into your own self, that you need to develop as a person. Because I want to see everybody successful in whatever field, whatever career they choose. Because there's nothing more rewarding than seeing people fulfilled, seeing people doing what they're absolutely passionate and love. Leave this final message with you guys. Keep your eye on the vision and never within the prison of this matrix. Don't become complacent for nothing. Don't let that fire burn out. Keep pushing and you'll survive the Armageddon. So peace and love be with you all. Have a beautiful evening and beautiful day whenever you're seeing this video. But peace out, everybody. Much love.